वेलकम बैक गाइस। तो आज हमारे साथ है नियति। तो आज हम इनका एक्सपीरियंस जानेंगे। इनके पास 3 ऑफर्स थे, एक तो गूगल से, अमेजोन से और एक गोल्डमैन से। तो इनका एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं हम, और ये जीजीएस स्कॉलर भी हैं। तो हम जानते हैं इनका एक्सपीरियंस। सो हाय नियति, हाउ आर यू?
Hi Soumya, I'm good. How are you?
आई एम फाइन टू। और मैंने आपकी प्रोफाइल देखी, आप सिविल से हो और आप एकदम से स्विच, एकदम सी एस एच डी रोल्स के लिए यू हैव अप्लाइड एंड यू हैव इवन सक्सेसफुली अप्लाइड एंड यू हैव गॉट ऑफर्स फ्रॉम 3 मेजर बिग कंपनीज। तो मतलब क्या, ये इसका राज क्या है, मतलब कैसे स्विच कर?
So, I was almost always, I have been coding, like 12th maybe, jo boards mein, additional subject, I had taken CS because, like, I felt coding is something that, regardless of my branch, will help me. And SMA, I obviously did have a lot of interest in civil, but, like, my second year was online, तो काफी ऐसे detachment हो गया, and India में interdisciplinary options भी मुझे काफी कम मिले. So I actually had a software engineer intern in my first year, and that sort of really got me hooked into this. Ki, okay, this is something that I actually want to do, can do. So ऐसे फिर धीरे धीरे करके थ्रू आउट माई सेकेंड ईयर आई डिड सम प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड आई धीरे धीरे बिल्ट माई प्रोफाइल एंड देन started applying as you did. So
ओके ओके। तो जैसे ये भी पूछना था मैं कि जैसे कि ऐसा है क्या कि जैसे गर्ल्स के पास थोड़ी सी ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, मतलब है अगर, तो फिर कैसे उनके बारे में अवेयर हो? क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अवेयरनेस काफी कम है, कुछ ही लोग इनका फायदा उठा पाते हैं।
So the thing is ki it's not ki like these girls get extra opportunities. It's just that there are some girl specific opportunities to promote diversity, because आपको भी पता है IITs में कितनी ही कम लड़कियां हैं overall engineering में. So
सही बात है।
the thing is ki this is there to promote, and most of them are scholarships of some kind to provide support your education, to get more exposure. So the thing is that you can follow other girls. You almost all big techs give some form of scholarship or the other. You can build your database, contact previous scholars, subscribe to pages that give you updates about these, because these actually will help you a lot. I feel जो generation Google scholarship मुझे मिली, it helped. Definitely did help in getting these internships as well, because there is a process for getting these internships, and उससे भी तुम्हारा कई हद तक interviews होते हैं, coding rounds निकलते हैं, so it helps.
प्रोफाइल बिल्डअप होता है बेसिकली।
Yes, and
और ये
practice भी
अवेयरनेस
होती
का
है.
था कि ये कौन सी ऐसी साइट है जिनसे पता लगेगा कि यार ये सब भी चल रहा है?
I would say that the best suggestion would be surround yourself with people who are also, looking for the same thing, so that all of you are looking in different domains. There are newsletters, then there are pages on LinkedIn, and you can subscribe to career pages of different tech, and they will email you when opportunities come. So these are some of the ways that I kept myself updated. And once once you get into this and surround yourself with those people, you get updates from them as well. So if you work together, you'll know a lot more.
ओके ओके। तो जैसे कि क्या आप थोड़े लिंक्स वगैरह या कुछ शेयर कर सकते हैं? मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, वो मतलब थोड़ा सही हो जाएगा उससे,
I
सबको
think
हेल्प हो
there,
जाएगी।
I will share the links that I have and I'll send them to you. There's this one newsletter. Then now that I have a group of Generation Google scholars, and that is actually an amazing place where, we all of us have the same goals, and we share things, opportunities, and, doubt solving and all. So this helps there as well. I will share all
कनेक्शन
the
भी स्ट्रॉन्ग।
relevant links with you.
ओके ओके ओके। कनेक्शन भी मतलब काफी फायदा मिला गूगल वाली जो
हाँ,
स्कॉलरशिप है
actually,
उससे।
you are surrounded with a
और
very,
वो कम ही लोगों को
supportive
मिलती होगी, जैसा
community.
कि गूगल का है तो कम ही लोगों को मिलती होगी, ये भी बात है।
So
सही है वो।
Generation Google Scholarship Asia Pacific से 70 लोगों को मिला है, and out of India I think there were 35 girls.
ओह, मतलब बड़ी बात है, काफी बड़ी बात है। तो वही सब लोगों को मोटिवेट होना चाहिए ऐसे अचीवमेंट्स के लिए। तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा इनके बारे में। और आप अपनी थोड़ी जर्नी के बारे में बता सकते हैं कि कैसे आपने प्रिपेयर करना चालू किया और कब से चालू किया, मतलब बेसिकली कब से आपने स्टार्ट किया सब प्रिपेयर करना इंटरव्यूज और इन सब के लिए?
Okay, so actually, I started preparing a bit for, jo aptitude and logical reasoning, OOPS, data structure, a bit for these scholarships as well, because all of them have coding rounds. Okay, so I started preparing for them a bit. I built a few projects side me throughout my second year, and then I obviously had the internship in first year summer. And other than that, proper DSA practice, I would say last 3 months before companies started coming on campus. Before that, I did try some competitive programming, but I was not very consistent about it. But I feel like if I had done that more rigorously, then it would have helped me a lot more with my DSA.
ओके, ओके। तो अभी जैसे बेसिकली क्या ज़्यादा आपको हेल्प किया? सीपी, वेब डेवलपमेंट या एमएल?
I think everybody should do some projects so that you actually know what work you want to do. I don't particularly have any experience with ML, but I did like web dev initially, and I did some explored things there. If you have the time, do CP in your first and second years, because it really, problem solving to my skills बढ़ती है. And then
सही बात।
DSA तो I think you can do in the last 3-4 months as well. So barring DSA, I think you should spend your first and second years exploring different domains and building your profile in other ways.
ओके, तो फर्स्ट और सेकंड ईयर में आपकी तरफ से क्या एडवाइस है? मतलब जैसे कोई स्टूडेंट है उसको क्या करना चाहिए? ऐसे फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर में आ गए
Try
कॉलेज में?
try and get internships, try and see कि कौन सा domain you like, try everything. ऐसा मत करो कि maybe this is not for me. करके देखो, then you'll realize कि है कि नहीं है. And like I did not personally approach any profs in my first and second year, but I think that is something that more people should do, because they working on an actual project is something else. Getting an internship and working in a where you're working with a team, that is different from building your own project. uh, take any tech stack, try and work your way through it. If you try to participate in open source, something that I have not done, but I think people should do. And then there are so many programs, Outreachy, GSOC, so many GSOC, so many things. So
यस।
those could be done first and second year.
ओके, ओके। और जैसे एक और ये था कि मुझे ये पूछना था कि जैसे कम्युनिकेशन का कितना, मतलब सबको ही पूछना था ऐसे कि कम्युनिकेशन का कितना रोल रहता है?
I
मतलब
think
कि कम्युनिकेशन ने
communication
कितना
is
हेल्प किया आपको मतलब ऐसा?
मेरे को लगता है मुझे
इंटरव्यू।
काफी हेल्प किया,
ओके,
because
ओके।
it's an underrated skills. People don't
हाँ,
realize this,
वही।
but communication, because I'm not just talking about interviews. Good communication skills meant that I was in touch with seniors who helped me a lot through the process. Good
ओके।
communication skills meant that I was more aware of opportunities, because I used to, interact with more people, which
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
opened more broad ways for me. Obviously, in interviews में तो help होता है, because you're able to show your thought process in a much more clear manner. You're able to get your point across. And
सही बात है, ये तो है ही।
communication is underrated, honestly.
हाँ, वही
It
मैं मेरे
opens
को
the
खुद भी
door to
लगता
a
है।
lot of things.
डेफ़िनिटली, वही,
And
वही।
वो
क्योंकि
direct उसका direct वो नहीं दिखता है कि direct फायदा क्या है, but there are like
हाँ,
a
वही,
lot of
वही।
side benefits.
सेम मेरे को भी यही लगता है, मतलब उससे काफ़ी बेनिफिट्स होते हैं। तो जैसे 100 में से कितना आप वेटेज देते हो जैसे कम्युनिकेशन को, कितना लगता है आपको कि इतना है, मतलब कि इतना मुझे लगा
I,
कि यार ये यूज़फुल है?
I think communications easily take up 40%. And agar upon if we take the impact that communications have on expanding your tech skills, then I think 60%, because like I got to know that I should do this and this because I chose to communicate with others. ऐसे
ओके, तो
सीनियर्स का जाके दिमाग खाया, तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल अच्छा है, बताओ कैसे करते हैं, वो सब चीजें, एक हेजिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए.
ओके। और लिंक्डइन लिंक्डइन पे कैसे अप्रोच किया? मतलब लिंक्डइन पे भी अप्रोच किया आपने मतलब?
ओके, मैंने लिंक्डइन पे ऐसे किसी को अप्रोच नहीं किया है, बट आई डिड गेट माय फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप थ्रू लिंक्डइन. आई सॉ अ पोस्टिंग एंड देन आई फिल द फॉर्म एंड देन दे कॉन्टैक्टेड मी एंड एवरीथिंग, because my first internship was content writer. So that was there. Other than that, I followed people who used to, give daily updates that this is an internship opening, this is a scholarship opening. So I did that, but I don't really have contacted people over LinkedIn. I have mostly stuck to seniors of our college.
ओके, ओके। तो ये भी सही है। और आपकी और जैसे आपके पास थोड़े ऑफ कैंपस ऑफर थोड़े, मतलब जैसे गूगल, अमेज़न के ऑफ कैंपस भी है जो कि तो और भी हार्ड है, तो वो उनका कैसे, मतलब वो कैसे अप्रोच किया? एक तो ये, और फिर क्या इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस क्या था? वो भी अगर थोड़ा आप बता सकें तो वैसा। सबका
Okay.
इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस कंबाइंड, मतलब कि कंबाइंड मतलब जैसा आपको लगे उस टाइप से आप बता सकते हो वैसा।
Okay, so in my experience, um, I got the Google internship interview offer because Generation Google Scholar. So that was off campus. I did not apply for it. It came to me.
ओके ओके, तो
And
मतलब अगर ये जीजीएस स्कॉलर अगर आप बनते हो तो डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा ऐसा? ओके
अभी
ऑफर।
तक तो ऐसा ट्रेंड है।
ओके, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट आ जाएगा, अगर आप कुछ गलत मतलब अच्छा काम करो वहाँ पे तो आ ही जाएगा वैसा।
Yeah. So other than that, Amazon was through the AmazeWow program. Now that is a girls only opportunity, and it actually has a rigorous process, 2 to 3 coding rounds, and then one interview. And I think most people missed out on this, but for if Amazon does not come to your campus, or if anything of that sort, then this is a good opportunity.
ओके, इसके लिए
And
event
so
मतलब अमेज़वाओ के लिए।
yes, and this is something that my seniors told me, that this exists and you should try for it. So be in contact with your seniors, obviously. So Google's interview experience was 2 coding rounds, pure DSA, nothing below graphs, trees.
ओके।
Both of my interview round, and that was the first ever interview I gave, and they started with graphs and tries, and I was like, okay. So actually, because of that, the rest of the interview seemed a little easier in comparison, because the level
ओके,
had been set very high.
यस,
Amazon
गूगल का तो मतलब है ही।
Amazon focuses a little more on your resume as well. Like I would say 15 to 20% on your resume and your previous
ओके, ओके,
experiences, projects, and stuff like that. And then they ask, I would say, like medium DSA questions, DP, and implementation, arrays, tags, strings, stuff like that.
ओके,
Goldman Sachs were asked a lot of variety, actually, because I gave 3 rounds of Goldman Sachs, and they asked a lot
ओके,
of variety in questions. Like they covered a lot, like array, strings, linked lists, graphs, DP, obviously, and
मतलब
in
सभी
addition
पूछ
to
लिया।
that, puzzles as well. But
ओके,
comparatively, the DSA wasn't that hard. The puzzles were fairly you can do, and then they were also I was also asked a little bit about finance. Just I think that was
ओके,
just to see how I would react to something I don't know about,
ओके,
or
ओके,
maybe it's
ओके,
because
मतलब
of fintech company.
हाँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन मतलब बेसिकली एटीट्यूड देखा उन्होंने कि हाउ यू अप्रोच टू द
Maybe,
थिंग।
yeah. So that I felt like Goldman did have some behavioral questions that was not there in Google or Amazon.
ओके, मतलब गोल्डमैन ने आपको पूरा ऐसा जज किया कि यार हाउ यू आर एज एन इंडिविजुअल।
Perhaps, like from what I've heard of others as well, like they did ask questions of different varieties to see how the candidates will react.
ओह! ओके, ओके। सो यार ये रिज़्यूम रिलेटेड भी थोड़े टिप्स वगैरह कि यार रिज़्यूम कैसे बनाएँ, मतलब उससे रिलेटेड थोड़ा?
Uh, I don't know if this is like so. Important things would be, in my opinion, having a resume that translates well as text so that it passes the ATS is important. Highlight the technologies that you have used. Use action words. Try to actually describe in detail of the projects that you have done. Don't just go on surface level.
ओके,
Actually
ओके,
show your work. So because a lot of people put in surface level projects, and then it appears that they haven't done any work. But when you give details, it gives the impression that you actually know and you have done work.
ओके, ओके,
And prioritize. If like if this is a purely technical role, put the technical stuff first. If this is more of a
ओ
non-tech role, then try to highlight that.
ओके, तो मतलब रोल के अकॉर्डिंग मतलब
Thoda sa,
अपने
I think there should be a little, you can manipulate it a bit. You can put higher, you can put emphasis on some particular project if it fits with what the company wants.
ओके, और जिस कंपनी रिलेटेड अगर आप जिस कंपनी रिलेटेड आप जा रहे हो, जैसे आप गूगल के लिए जा रहे हो, तो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस किए या फिर मतलब नहीं कि मतलब सबके लिए सेम ही प्रिपरेशन या कुछ अलग
Okay,
थोड़ा?
मैंने तो more or less सबके लिए same prepare किया. I stuck to my DSA practice. I did not do company specific questions, and I stuck to ensuring that I know the basics. There should be no, it should not be that you know everything but you're not able to implement it. So practice. And
ओके, ओके,
one thing would be that do not hesitate to sort of
एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ।
yeah, like If you are stuck, let the interviewer know you're stuck. It's fine to ask. It's like, do not panic, and always think out loud that, okay, I just say, I am thinking greedy, but then this is the drawback, so maybe let's not do that for now. If you're constantly
ओ,
thinking out loud and they can follow your thought process, I think that makes a very good impact on the interviewer overall.
ओके, ओके। तो मेरे ख्याल से हो ही गया इतना। थैंक यू वेरी मच नियति, आप चैनल
Thank
पे
you,
आए और अपने
Soumya.
सारे सारे व्यूअर्स को इतना सब बताया। थैंक यू वेरी मच इसके लिए। सो या, थैंक यू
Thank you
गाइस।
for inviting me.
ओके, ओके। ये तो मुझे थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए ऐसे, पर चलो कोई। ओके।